Today we will discuss part 2 of classification of sentences. Sentence is combination of different words which makes a complete sense. In our previous video we have classified sentence on the basis of ideas. Now here is classification on the basis of form and structure. How sentences will be formed, how we'll discuss about its structure today. First is our simple sentences. These sentences make a simple statement, simple sense. Here is a subject and a predicate. For example, sun is bright. He is an intelligent boy. Next kind is our compound sentences. Compound sentence. Compound sentence is a sentence that has at least two independent clauses. Two independent clauses means at least two parts. More than two can be, but at least minimum part should be two there. With clauses joined by a comma, semicolon or conjunction. Examples are here. This house is too big and that house is too small. This house is too big and that house is too small. Two clauses are here and both are independent. Only connector and is joining them. This house is too big. It is also a complete sentence. That house is too small. It is again also a complete clause, complete statement. But connector and is joining it. Next example. Your pen is blue, but my pen is black. Again, both statement, both clauses are independent. Your pen is blue. It makes a complete sense in itself. My pen is black. It is also a complete sentence, complete clause, but connector but is connecting both the statements, both the clauses. So there can be at least two independent clauses. Both clauses are independent, joined by comma, semicolon or conjunction. Both are conjunction, and, but. These are our conjunction words. And it can be more than two. Here are example of only two clauses, but it can be more than two clauses. Next kind of sentences are our complex sentences. Complex sentences are those sentences which contain one independent and at least one dependent clause. Clause is also called subordinate clause. Example, I like to eat popcorn while I watch a movie. Main clause maximum time is at the end of sentence. While I watch a movie, and it is our helping subordinate clause, dependent clause. This clause depend upon this one. After while, it is our main clause and it is our subordinate clause. I like to eat popcorn. What do I like? To eat popcorn. But when? I watch a movie. Next is, you should work hard, otherwise you will be fail. It is our main clause. You will be fail. And it is our subordinate clause. You should work hard. Next is, he is too weak to walk so fast. What is the main purpose? To walk so fast. And what is our subordinate clause saying? That he is too weak to do so. So these were our explanation about the kinds of sentences.